Hello, I am Dr. Sonal Santosh Chanda, Professor, Department of Commerce, Srimati Kesharbai Lahoti Mahavidyalaya, Amravati. In this presentation, we are going to discuss on one of the very important chapter in inventory management, which has basically to do with the inventory planning and control. The name of the concept is just-in-time concept. Friends, Toyota was the one which developed this just-in-time manufacturing concept with a vision to make vehicle orders in the quickest and the most efficient way. In somewhere between 1930s to 1945, Japan's adopted the concept of just-in-time. At the end of World War II, Japan's primary objective was to rebuild its industry with Western methodology in mind. In post-war Japan, Taiichi Ohno, who is known as father of just-in-time concept, adopted a system at Toyota to handle smaller batch sizes and more variety in parts that could be used to construct assemblies. In 1952, work on their JIT system was initiated with full deployment of the Kanban pull system by 1962. What is JIT? JIT is just-in-time concept. It is a pull system of production, so actual orders provide a signal for when a product should be manufactured. Demand pull enables a firm to produce when what is required in the correct quantity and at the correct time. Now let us speak something about the advantages of just-in-time concept along with its disadvantages. The first advantage which we are getting is less space needed. As we know, in just-in-time concept, we are lowering the stock holding. It means we need reduced storage space, which saves rent as well as insurance cost. So because we need less space and therefore we are in position to save a lot. Second important advantage which we are going to get out of it is smaller investment. As stock is only obtained when it is needed, less working capital is tied up or blocked in the stock. Third advantage is less wastage. There is less likelihood of stock perishing, becoming obsolete or out of date, because whenever required, whenever wanted in the market, we are producing and we are supplying. The fourth advantage, it avoids the buildup of unsold finished product that can occur with sudden changes in demand. The fifth one, less time is spent on checking and reworking the product of others, as the emphasis is on getting the work right first time. Now let us speak something about the disadvantages. Three important disadvantages. The first one, risk of running out of stock. There is little room for mistakes as minimal stock is kept for reworking faulty product. Second, lack of control over time frame. Production is very reliant on suppliers, and if stock is not delivered on time, the whole production schedule can be delayed. Third one, more planning required. There is no spare finished product available to meet unexpected orders. There is every possibility that you may get in emergency certain orders. Probably you might no spare finished product will be available to you. And because all product is made to meet actual orders. However, JIT is a very responsive and method of production. Friends, basically what we exactly are doing is we are producing just in time whenever the order is there. We are demanding just in time whenever it is required. The supply manufacturer is producing as and when it is required. The suppliers are making it available as and when it is required. The whole concept is known as just in time. And therefore, the possibility of non-availability is probably the biggest disadvantage. Otherwise, we are always in fashion, and therefore it is one of the very, very important concepts. Thank you so much.